Navigating tough decisions. Find a comfortable position. Take a deep breath in and invite calm into your body. Slowly exhale, letting go of tension. With your next inhale, welcome any uncertainty or doubt. Notice it, but don't judge it. As you breathe out, imagine releasing fear and the pressure to have all the answers. Bring your awareness to your heart. Ask yourself gently, what truly matters to me in this moment? What values do I want to honor as I move forward? Allow your inner wisdom to surface, even if only as a whisper. Picture yourself standing at a crossroads. Each path is shrouded in mist, yet within you, a quiet light glows, your own compass. Trust this light. Take another full breath in, and as you exhale, feel clarity beginning to settle, like ripples calming on a pond. Offer yourself compassion. Remember, making tough decisions is an act of courage. There is no perfect answer, only the next true step for you. Breathe in possibility, breathe out self-doubt. When you are ready, gently open your eyes if they were closed, carrying with you a sense of trust in yourself and confidence in your own unfolding journey. Namaste.